Greetings, YouTube. Allowing to back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Today is indeed Saturday, May 2nd, 2020. And in this morning's video, YouTube, we want to bring you guys an update on two of our garden planters here in our front yard garden extended grow area. That first planter we want to bring you guys an update on is Little Creek Homestead and our dear friend Vicky's strike shelling peas that she's currently growing in our 2-foot by 4-foot sugar garden planter. That second planter that we want to bring you guys an update on is the red shed and our dear friend Holly's bush beans that she's currently growing in our 2-foot by 6-foot main sugar garden planter. As you may recall from our last video update, YouTube, this is what Little Creek Homestead looked like in our last video update. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what Little Creek Homestead currently looks like today, May 2nd, 2020, in our front yard garden extended grow area. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam. Take a look at that, YouTube. As you recall from our last video update on Little Creek Homestead, our dear friend Vicky's strike shelling peas were just beginning to germinate in that video. And as you can see, they're already every bit of 3.5 to 4 inches tall right here in our front yard garden extended grow area. And we truly could not be more pleased by what we see in our dear friend Vicky's planter. We had a tremendous germination rate on these seeds. Only two seeds out of a total of 44 seeds did not germinate. And that's one that we had here with this one bush bean plant here, with strike shelling pea plant here, and one that we had with here in this hole here with this one strike shelling pea plant here. Again, as you can see, all of the other seeds that we planted in this planter germinated. This is week 2 of our strike shelling peas, being in our 2-foot by 4-foot sugar garden planter that we did indeed name Little Creek Homestead after our dear friend Vicky's channel here on YouTube. Vicky, your peas are looking fantastically well in our garden. That second thing we want to bring you guys an update on YouTube is again the red shed and our dear friend Holly's bush beans that she's currently growing in our front yard garden extended grow area. It is officially week 3 of our bush beans being in this planter. As you may recall from our last video update on the red shed, this is what the red shed currently looked like in our last video update. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what the red shed and our dear friend Holly's bush beans are currently looking like today, Saturday, May 2nd, 2020, right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel in Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam. Take a look at that, YouTube. And yes indeed, our dear friend Holly's bush beans are coming into blossom. Again, in this planter, we also only had 2 seeds that didn't germinate. These seeds were a product of Johnny's Selected Seeds up in Winslow, Maine. We received these seeds last year as part of a package to jumpstart our channel here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel from our dear friends Mark and Tina up at Bumblebee Junction in Eastern Tennessee. Thanks, Mark and Tina. And again, YouTube, this planter is fully overgrown with bush beans. They are indeed coming into blossom, and we can't be more excited by what we see in our dear friend Holly's planter right here in our front yard garden extended grow area. Thanks for watching YouTube. And if indeed you currently are watching this video, you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Garden channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah. Growing strike shelling peas at Little Creek Homestead, and growing bush beans at the Red Shed. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
My lioness and queen.